Hello CIS scholars, how are you all? I hope you all are good. I am Nidhi Verma, CIS educator, and today I am going to discuss about the different factors which affects climate. So let's start. In my last video, I have discussed all these factors and today I am going to take all these factors in detail. So let's take one by one. The first factor is altitude, that is height above the sea. Now, whenever someone asks me that which place you like most, I always say hill stations. Do you know why? This is because of their cool climate. So, have you ever thought all these questions that why do people visit hill stations in summer? Why are mountains and hill stations are cooler than plains? Well, this is all because of their temperature. Because as we move towards higher altitude, the temperature decreases. And this is the reason that sometimes the plains may have very hot climate, but the nearby mountain may have snow covered peak. So now you understand that how this altitude that affects the climate. I hope you got this. Now move on to the next slide. The next factor is latitude, which is distance from the equator. The latitude at which a place is located affects the climate of that place. But how come? The question comes that why the places which are situated near the equator is very hot and humid. Well, you will get this answer through this image only. Now here you can see that the rays of the sun is direct on the equator, whereas in the other part it is slanting. So this is the answer, that because the equator or the places which are situated near the equator, it receives direct rays of the sun, whereas the places situated far from the equator receive slanting rays of the sun. Thus, as we move towards the pole of the climate would be cooler as compared to the equatorial region. Let's take an example. For example, Gujarat and MP both have a hot climate as compared to the Delhi and Punjab. So now you understand that latitude is also an important factor which affects the climate. Now move to the next, that is distance from the sea, which is places situated close or far away from the sea. Well, many times I might be thinking that why the climate is affected as we move far away from the sea, and why the places situated closer to the sea or ocean have moderate climate during summer and winter. Well, the answer would be because of the land and sea breezes. Look at this. Now let's have a clear understanding about sea breezes and how distance from sea affect the climate of the place. Look at this picture. Here we have day scene and we have a night scene. Now, when we talk about during daytime, the land heats up faster and warm the air above. The warm air rises and makes way for the cool breeze blowing over the sea. Similarly, when we talk about at night, the sea remains warm because it loses heat slowly as compared to the land. The air above the sea is warm and it rises, making a way for the cool breeze blowing from the land. That is why this climate would be affected. Now let's see this example. When we are talking about Mumbai and Pune, both are situated at almost similar latitudes. However, the Mumbai has a moderate climate as compared to the Pune. Do you know why? This is just because Mumbai lies near the Arabian Sea, whereas Pune is surrounded by the land. So now distance from the sea is also an important factor which affects the climate of a place. Now move to the next, that is humidity. Do you know what is humidity? Humidity is basically the amount of water vapor or the moisture which is present in the air. And do you know that due to this humidity, it causes heavy rainfall? Now again I am thinking about one more question. Now what is that question? That why the places near the equator receive a lot of rainfall as compared to the desert region? This is just because of this factor, that is humidity. Because of this factor, the equatorial regions are hot and humid, and hence they receive a lot of rainfall, whereas the air which blows over the desert is dry winds. Thus, the desert region receives a very little or no rainfall. Now, with this, you have a clear understanding about the various factors. Now, the last one is wind. Wind which blow from sea towards the land. Now what is this? The wind which blow from sea towards land often bring rainfall to coastal area. It depends upon the place of origin of the wind. So it depends upon what is the place of origin of that wind. For example, if it is a monsoon wind, it blow over the Arabian Sea and brings rainfall to the western coast of India. Similarly, when we are talking about Lu, I hope that few of the students know what is Lu. Lu, it is the warm wind which blow over most parts of the northern India. It increases the temperature of many places in summer. So this way wind will also affect the climate. I hope with this video you will have a clear understanding about what are the different factors which affects climate, and you know that how it affects the climate. In my next video, I will come with some new topic. By this time, stay at home, stay safe and enjoy the learning. Thank you.